Good morning. It is Saturday, Sunday the 6th, and doing a little update to this. This is the second one. So, got a couple of newbies. We got two lavenders here. They're more for mosquito control, if anything. Let's see what they can do. And then we have a little update. We got these all weeded. I put two of the peppers in. And two little marigolds. All their heads that when I got them finally died off, so I cut them off. I think that's the last one there, that big one. And then we got all these little new guys. Let's see if it'll focus. No. And then we got the cucumber in here. So actually, when I got it, looks like there were 4 plants in that one pot. Usually when I do them from seed, it's just one. So we'll do a little experiment this year and see if it works. So hopefully I'll see if we can get them to climb up. Climb up there. We can further support it if we need to. I had a bunch of cinder blocks laying around, so until I can get rid of them, recycle them. Another new one we got is zucchini. So we weeded out this one here and amended the soil, and it's looking pretty good since we put it in. Oregano and the mint. Tomatoes getting nice and big. So last time we didn't really order the tomato, so this one's a cherry tomato. And then we got a slicer over here. Sunflowers are starting to take off. And down here at the rose is doing pretty good. Had a couple more flowers on it. They're getting ready to I widened the base a little bit and gave it some food. So that's it for this week. We'll see you next week and see how much bigger they've gotten. See ya.